In this video, we'll look at whether silver hydroxide, AgOH, is ionic or covalent. The short answer is that the compound, AgOH, that's an ionic compound. But we have this polyatomic ion here, and the bond between the oxygen and the hydrogen in this polyatomic ion, that's covalent. When we look at the periodic table, we see silver right here. That's a metal, and then we have oxygen, that's a nonmetal, and hydrogen, that's a nonmetal as well. So we have a metal plus two nonmetals. That's going to be an ionic compound. Because it's an ionic compound, we really should look at the charge on each of the ions here. So we said silver right here is a metal, and silver is kind of special. It's a transition metal, but it always has a 1 plus ionic charge. We just write plus. OH, that's the hydroxide ion. Good one to remember. The entire ion has a 1 minus ionic charge. So you can see you have the positive silver ion and the negative hydroxide ion. Opposite charges attract. That forms the ionic bond. Let's talk about the hydroxide ion for just a moment. So we said oxygen, that's a nonmetal. And then hydrogen is also a nonmetal. When we have a nonmetal bonded to a nonmetal, that gives us a covalent compound, also called a molecular compound. So overall, silver hydroxide is an ionic compound. But within that, we have this hydroxide, and the bond between the oxygen and hydrogen, that's going to be covalent. This is Dr. B answering the question whether AgOH is ionic or covalent. Thanks for watching.